Hello, my name is Christopher Anatra. I'm the CEO and president of NECS-Inc., the creator of Entree software for food distribution. I'm also the original developer of the software, which I started programming in 1987. Over the years, the software has evolved to become the complete and trusted system to run a food distributor's operation, including produce, meat, seafood, dairy, dry goods, and full-line distributors dealing with tens of thousands of line items to take you to the next level of efficiency and profitability. For growing food service distributors, Entree has been their secret to success. Entree is an all-inclusive ERP system that simplifies your daily tasks with industry-specific features such as catch weight management, customer special pricing, standard order guides, inventory lot control, warehouse management, and the list goes on and on. I've often heard our food distribution clients say they wish they had enough time and resources to learn all the features of our powerful Entree software. I'm excited to tell you we've been working hard to grant your wish, and you are going to love it. I'd like to officially introduce you to our Food Distribution University online learning courses.
The focus of FDU is to enrich and enable our customers to grasp the power of Entree through training videos. FDU will provide you with a comprehensive learning experience with bite-sized videos to help you learn at your own pace.
But a food distributor's operations is always hectic and busy. We know, we've been with you on site, so it's easy to overlook and forget these amazing beneficial Entree features. That's why I'm really excited for you and your team to explore FDU. I hope it bridges the education and training gap, since it's something you can watch at your own pace and time.
FDU includes over 200 video-on-demand lessons, and we are literally adding more every day. FDU includes both introductory and comprehensive courses. FDU is perfect for new employee onboarding for anyone that will be using our Entree software, administrators and managers. You can watch only the topics you are interested in. FDU also includes all of our past and future Zoom learning classes. You can watch whenever and wherever you like on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. How much does FDU cost? You get all this great content with very affordable pricing. The link below provides all the details.
Oh, and please give us your feedback. Help us get better by rating the courses that you've watched and/or sending us an email at fooduniversity@necs.com.
We are so excited to be able to launch Food Distribution University and offer this learning experience to you and your business.
Ready to get going? Just click on the link in the description area below to get started. We've made the whole process fast and easy. Welcome to Food Distribution University. Ready, set, go. Let's get started.